happened there?
I'm a manager here. There's a black dude in here. I don't know if he has a gun on him. He tried to steal the woman's bike, but he's acting really weird, like really suspicious. He keeps grabbing something on his thing. I already told him to get out, but he's like on something.
All right, give me 1 second.
Yeah, he's like right in the middle of the lobby. So I don't know. Something might happen. Leave the woman alone.
Phoenix 911, where's your emergency?
It's
Is it police, fire, or medical?
police. My daughter's an employee and she just texted me and said someone's there with a gun, and so I'm calling you guys.
Man looks like attempting to steal from a female, appears to have a firearm that he's threatening with. He's going to be in the middle of lobby. Black male, tall, black hoodie, gray shorts. Looks like he's on 237 David. He's threatening everybody and is in the middle of the lobby. They're unable to get everybody out of the building because he's kind of standing in the middle. He is now going behind the counter.
Give me your fucking hands. Give me your fucking hands. Get on the ground. Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground. Lay down. Get up. Spread your, cross your legs. Cross your fucking legs. Look down. Look down. Look fucking down. Hey, do not fucking move. You understand? You could get shot. Do not fucking move. Look down. Look down. Don't shoot. Look fucking down then. Do not move. Do not move and do what we say. Do you understand? Do not move. Hey, he's thinking about it, dude. Do not move. Hey! Do not fucking move.